Hey there, fellow gamers and Prizepicks enthusiasts. If you're watching this, you're probably frustrated because your deposits aren't going through on the Prizepicks app. Don't worry. It's a common issue, and I'm here to help you fix it step by step. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest tips to get you back in the game quickly. Let's dive right in. First things first, start with the basics. Make sure your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak Wi-Fi signal or mobile data issue can often block deposits. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network to see if that resolves it. Next, double-check your account details. Log into your Prizepicks account and verify that your payment information is up to date. Sometimes, an expired card or incorrect billing address can cause problems. If you're using a new card, ensure it's activated and has sufficient funds. Now, let's talk about the app itself. Update Prizepicks to the latest version available on your App Store. Outdated apps can have glitches, especially with new security updates in 2025. If it's already up to date, try clearing the cache and data. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Prizepicks, Storage, Clear Cache. On iOS, offload the app and reinstall it. Another key step is to experiment with your payment method. If your usual option isn't working, switch to a different one, like PayPal or a new credit card. Prizepicks might have temporary issues with certain providers, so this could be a quick fix. If none of that works, it's time to reach out for help. Contact Prizepicks customer support through their in-app chat or email. Provide them with details like error messages you're seeing. They're usually pretty responsive and can handle account-specific problems. Lastly, remember to check if you're in a supported region or if there are any ongoing promotions or restrictions that might affect deposits. That covers the essentials. There you have it. Simple steps to get your Prizepicks deposits working again. Give these a try, and you'll be placing your picks in no time. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.